Hello everyone! Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. In today's episode, we are going to take a walk. The walk will be a beautiful experience because it is sunny with a light breeze. Do you know the word breeze? It is another word for a light wind. I just finished having lunch with some friends. We ate Korean food, and I am having a lovely day, and I hope you are as well. Before we head out of the car and go take a stroll, which means to take a nice walk, I would like to invite you to download your free copy of my ebook. It is all about phrasal verbs. In the free copy, there is one category. It's about morning routine. Phrasal verbs, morning routine. Examples would be to get up out of bed, to wake up, to wash up before having breakfast. These are all important phrases to know. And if you're interested in the full version, you can purchase it now. It's 90 phrasal verbs, and you can get $5 off if you are one of the first 50 customers. I also have a membership available on YouTube. You can join my membership for private videos within the membership community and private conversations within the community as well. Please like this video and subscribe, and let's go for a walk. I have my wide brim hat on because it is very sunny. I'm going to point out a few things around me so that you can learn some new vocabulary. I am walking behind my husband on the pavement, on the sidewalk. These bushes are called hedges. And hedges usually are taller than the height of a house due to privacy reasons. That is a very big house. It is a modern farmhouse style. There are many palm trees. Oh, look at this lemon or orange tree. We see a lot of these in California. Look at this lovely garden here. My husband is standing in the middle of the road. This is the house number, and you will see this often throughout the streets of LA. If you live in a single family home. Look at this brand new house that is getting built. It's really nice. A house like this can take several years to get built. That house is made out of brick, a lot of glass. They probably get a lot of natural light in there. Do you know what these white flowers are called? These type of plants are called succulents. They do not require a lot of water to stay alive. Did you know that certain house plants are toxic or dangerous, especially to cats? That is a weird looking house. It looks like a museum. My husband is waiting for me across the street. This house looks a little creepy to me. Do you know the word creepy? It's like spooky or scary. There are many cracks in the sidewalk. A fancy word for describing a neighborhood that looks very rich and wealthy is affluent. This is an interesting garden. There is steel surrounding the tree. Do you know what steel is? It's that brown material. It smells really nice here because of all the honeysuckles. That is the name of these flowers. Honeysuckle. Actually, I think these flowers are called jasmine. I'm not sure. They have a similar smell. The aesthetic of this house is very tropical feeling. I could see this house in Florida. This street is very peaceful. There are not too many cars. There's not a lot of traffic. This is a very contemporary style house. Look at these beautiful bushes of, actually, I shouldn't call them bushes. They're some sort of grass. It's a tall, fluffy grass. Do you know the word fluffy? Think of like a cloud, a fluffy cloud. I am now walking in the shade out of the sun. And now I am in the sun. And I'm in the shade. I see the shadows of the leaves and branches. This is a stop sign, and that sign over there is the parking sign that says that you are only allowed to park on this street for 2 hours unless you have a parking permit. A parking permit looks like a plastic sign that is attached to the rear view mirror of your car, inside of the car. I just walked across a puddle. A puddle is a lot of water. Somebody is watering their grass with a hose. I like the shape of these leaves. I don't see too many of these types of trees in Los Angeles. It smells really nice out here. Trees breathe out oxygen and they breathe in carbon dioxide. Humans breathe in oxygen and we breathe out carbon dioxide. We are walking down this alley to go to what's called the Brentwood Country Mart. I have been here before in one of my videos. We might get some ice cream. Would you like some ice cream? The style and aesthetic of this shopping center is a farm style. That's why it's called a country mart. As you can see, there are a lot of expensive cars, and I almost just got ran over by one. Like this G-Wagon. That's a very expensive car, especially with the custom paint. We have the expensive Range Rover, the expensive Mercedes. We have Tesla. It is very popular to have a matte black car like this. Matte black means it's not shiny. Can you see? Now we are heading towards the other shopping center. I think he wants to go shopping. We are going in this clothing store called Theory. Do you know what this statue is called? It's called a mannequin. Now I'm heading down the stairs. We're going to the Country Mart again. We are entering the Country Mart. How cute are these doors? I wonder how old this building is. I love this bag for the summer. Sorry, my camera was not pointing down. This bag. And I like that bucket hat as well. These are nice glass pitchers. And a lot of nice home decor. This is where you can ship out your mail. A cute little mail post office. Some fine jewelry. Fine jewelry means expensive. Now we are in Farm Shop. I have filmed here before. An assortment of artisanal chocolate. We have a bunch of chocolate desserts here. And some pecans, or you might hear some Americans say pecan. I think pecan sounds better. We have beef jerky, if you would like some protein. Some meat and salami. We have flour to make muffins and cookies. There's some wine over here, specifically rosé. We have tequila. Who likes tequila? Let me know in the comments. We also have some chilled wine, which means it is cold, and some sake. What is this? These tiny little cans. These are tequila cocktails. Look how cute these tequila cocktails are. It makes me want to drink one. And look at this sparkling sake. Would you want one? We are heading back towards our car. and then we will be driving home later today. I hope to have time to watch a movie at home. I need to clean up my house. It looks like a tornado came through the house. That is a saying, which means it's a mess. I have clothes I need to fold and put away. I need to prepare for dinner. I also need to take Nari, my dog, for a walk. Ooh, look at this house. That's a nice house. I love the black panes on the window. Look at these beautiful flowers. The petals are symmetrical. And we also have this beautiful purple flower. This looks like rosemary. What are you up to today? That means, what plans do you have today? Let me know in the comments. I hope you enjoyed today's slow English vlog. And I have a lot of vlogs like this when I first started on YouTube about a year ago. So please check out my older videos. I put a lot of heart and soul into them. I will see you next time. Bye!